Are you gonna tell stories, Isaac? Are you gonna say a goo? You gonna say that again? Isaac, hi buddy. Hi buddy. Oh, do you have the hiccups? Oh, baby. Oh, poor hiccups. Mean hiccups. Dirty hiccups for this poor boy. Are you gonna tell us stories?
Well, full time and a nice breeze and cuddle with mommy.
Mm-hmm.
You change a little every day, don't you?
He sure does.
More alert, bigger by your eyes, rounder face.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Pretty
baby.
little noises.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna talk to mommy? Gonna tell mommy some stories? Are you being a little squeaker toy? You gonna tell mama stories? Are you gonna tell mama stories? A goo? A goo? Hi. Hi, Isaac. Hello. Hello. Happy boy. Happy boy. You can tell stories. No stories, just hiccups. I mean naughty, dirty hiccups. Huh. Yeah. Poor baby boy. You keep acting like you're trying to talk.